Winter doesn't warn you, it ambushes you. One moment the road looks harmless, the next it turns into an icy trap where even confident drivers lose control. In this episode, we'll uncover what caused the chaos and how to stay in control when traction disappears. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Poor Land Rover Valor, a beauty like that, ruined because of the snow. How did an Audi Q5 end up sliding like that? What that truck did up ahead is insanely dangerous. That's the kind of thing that can haunt you for life. Apparently, driving an SUV in the snow isn't the problem. The real issue is winter tires, and sometimes the driver.
Jesus Christ.
When you realize snow isn't an obstacle, it's just a background for an R8. Owning a Tesla doesn't give you a free pass in winter. He hit the brakes, the wheels locked, and that was it. He should have stayed in drive and used the steering wheel gently. Even a tiny slide can send your car straight to the scrapyard. The Audi RS6 Avant was born for this. Quattro grip, insane stability, exclusive but worth it. In winter, you don't just change your tires, you change your boots too. No winter tires plus a lot of luck equals this. Those snow splashes are dangerous and very common. Look at the damage they can cause. You're parked peacefully, and a second later, you're somewhere else, stuck between cars. If you live in snowy regions, get an Audi. Quattro isn't a feature, it's a lifestyle. The driver escaped his car, but it's now stuck in the ice. Never drive on frozen lakes. This one got rescued, many don't. That Russian road becomes pure chaos every time it snows. Everyone joins the festival. Even in winter, some geniuses refuse to let the other car go first. The result is inevitable. Speed behind him, chaos in front, but he dodges everything and straightens the car like a pro. Audi S3 Sportback. It doesn't even feel the ice. Smooth and confident. If I live in a frozen country, no Toyota, no Honda, just Audi. The key is simple. Stay calm, don't hit the brakes, and correct using only the steering wheel. Ever driven through a snowstorm with strong crosswinds? Driving straight becomes an Olympic sport. Enjoy sliding with your Nissan GT-R, but do it somewhere safe. Taking out an American muscle car during a blizzard is not the brightest idea. Is it Mustang or Corvette?
If he's smart, don't do that parking lot. There you go.
This Subaru Impreza is fighting hard to pull that van out. This Porsche 911 looks stuck. I don't know how magical their AWD system is, but it's struggling today. Thoughts? Some roads must be avoided. First instinct, brake. First result, slide. Brilliant! It moves like a caterpillar. Someone should invent a portable traction system like that. An Audi RS3 in the snow is pure joy, traction, power, confidence. You don't see many Hummers in the snow, but this one looks perfectly at home. This Audi A4 isn't just driving, it's snowplowing the street. The dashcam driver is a genius. Last second shift, zero collision. Some drivers slide because they lose control, others slide because they want to.
Why did he even try that? Oh no!
Can you imagine being on the second floor of that bus while it slides like that? The view must be insane. Sometimes you shouldn't look in the rearview mirror. Imagine seeing that behind you in the middle of winter. Do you speed up or pray?
Auch jetzt noch kommen für die Urlauber.
In Canada, you park your car at night and end up shoveling your neighbor's car in the morning.
Ja, dieser Gast muss sich erst noch vorkämpfen zu seinem Auto für die Anreise gestern, letzten Urlaubstag.
Driving fast on snowy roads is asking for trouble. Take it slow, stay safe. Do you really think that car has winter tires? I doubt it, judging by that 90-degree spin. If you can, avoid steep hills. Even a fully equipped SUV becomes a sled. That blue car did everything right, kept distance, reacted calmly, zero drama. Think this car is just going a bit fast. Sudden steering moves are how accidents are born. Mountain roads plus snow equals danger, narrow passes, and a cliff waiting below. Careful with that turn, guys.
Он пошел. Твою мать! Дебил! Да надо выруливать!
This group is basically the anonymous Sliders Club. No winter tires, old school, bad school.
Все, кто газует, все вы... О, все! Ну это жесть! Сейчас только газу давать вперед! Это жесть! Давай, газу! Пиздец! Вот сейчас будет плохо. Сейчас вообще будет жестко. Молодец! Вау! Это уже второй такой! Молодец!
Against black ice, nothing beats a pile of road salt. Both cars are going over 65 kilometers per hour. That leaves no room for safety. If you're still here, you've got nerves of steel. Hit subscribe and dive into the next episode. Things get even crazier from here. Stay ready, and winter's not done with us yet. Stay safe.